Corey Lupke making his first start of the season, going in the finale against Tim Hudson and the Atlanta Braves at Petco Park in San Diego on Sunday. Top one, Lupke on his game early, strikes out the leadoff hitter Jordan Schaefer. He goes down looking. Next batter, Jason Hayward, another backwards K in the scorecard. Chipper Jones for good measure. He's caught looking side retired. Bottom two, Padres threatening against Tim Hudson. Bases loaded, one out. Kyle Phillips on the ground, back to the pitcher. Hudson goes home and starts the 1-2-3 inning ending double play. Padres leave 2 runners on base. Bottom 4 still scoreless. Hudson working to Chase Headley. He strikes him out swinging for out number 1. Anthony Rizzo down on strikes, and then Cameron Maybin down swinging, side retired. Moved to the 8th inning, still scoreless. Jordan Schaefer at the plate with a runner at first and 2 away. Schaefer to the right center field alley. Will Venable over, bobbles it momentarily. Eric Hinsky racing around. He'll score the game's first run. Schaefer with a double goes to third on the error by the right fielder. 1-0 Atlanta. Now bottom 8, Padres threatening. Bases loaded, 1 out. Will Venable at the plate against Johnny Venters. Venable tries to get the bunt down with a runner at third, but instead he pops out to the pitcher. Kristen Orphea stays at third. Next batter, Jason Bartlett standing in. Bases still loaded, now 2 away.
Off the pitcher, this could be trouble. It's tied. Bartlett back to the mound off the mid of Venters, and Gonzalez couldn't barehand it. It's tied up.
Bartlett getting the job done, keeping the inning alive. Next batter, Orlando Hudson looking to put the Padres on top.
Up to middle, into center. Maybin scores. Here comes the second run, and safe. The ball gets off the glove of Ross. Guzman scores the second run, and the Padres lead for the first time today. It's 3-1.
Padres on top by 2 runs and looking for more. Next batter, Chase Headley flares one into center field. Bartlett will come in to score 4 runs in the inning. Padres go on and win it by a score of 4-1 as they come from behind for the victory in the series finale. Heath Bell works a 1-2-3 ninth for the save, his 20th on the season. Mike Adams, the win in relief, he is 3-1. Lupke in his first start of the year went 5 innings. He gave up no runs and he struck out 6.